Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help guys. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gamma application to create presentation. So this presentation, it can be either for your work, for education, so it depends on how you want to use it. So right now we are creating our Gamma account. So for now, we'll settle for personal use. As you can see here, it already asks us what type of work we do. So for this one, let's say operations, or let's just click on others. As you can see here, it already asks us what do we want to do. Do we want to create presentations, turn our notes into presentations? So we're going to click on these, then continue. Then here, and upon entering the Gamma application, this is the home, right? So what we can do here is we can either create with an AI or we can look for a template for our presentation. So here already you can start viewing presentations. You can either use a template or you can preview it first before using it, like so. This one, if you want to use this presentation, just click on use this template. Let's say we want to use this as our presentation, right? So we'll just click on use this template, and then automatically it creates a copy of that template. And now you can use this to edit everything you want to edit. So for example, here you can edit this, give it your own title right there. You can also add in some new card templates right here. For example, if you want to add a blank page, you can do so like that. You can add in other things as well, like so. You can remove this by collapsing it. Then you can view the title card again. Then you can remove by clicking delete. So this is the blank um card or the slide that we added earlier. So you can either choose another layout here. For example, you can have a photo on the right and then your description here on the side. So for example, this will be table of contents right here. Then here you can add an image. You can either generate or you can upload or you can search for images online. So it's like Canva. They have multiple images that you can use for your presentation. So for example, if you want to use this one, you can use it like that, or you can also use the AI option right here to generate an image for you, like so. So basically, it works exactly like Canva, similar to Canva. The difference is the functionality and the tools are different. So, for example, if you want to align texts, you have to double click on the text, and then here you can see you can change the fonts already here. So, Canva also has this feature, but compared to Canva, you it doesn't have that uh it doesn't have the utility box here for fonts. Rather, you have to click on the message, or you have to click on the text in order for you to be able to edit it. So you can change the color scheme of the text. You can also realign it here. You can also use AI here to make it more engaging. You can expand the text, condense the text. So yeah, pretty much Gamma is integrated now with AI. Now, if you don't want to create a template, of course you can create your own. You can have inspirations here as well for your template, or you can just create your own, either using AI or you can start from blank. So if you want to use AI for this, just click AI and then here you already have this. You can paste your text here and then from there, um, Gamma will create a presentation for you, or you can generate one. Give Gamma a sample of or an image of what you want to create right there. So let's say this one, or let's say how to speak a new language. Let's say this is what we want to create. So right from there, Gamma already creates it, and then you can generate. Upon generating, Gamma will automatically create that presentation, that type of presentation for you. So there it is. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. You can create your own, you can create using AI, or you can create using the templates or themes that they already have available. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.